So we're doing some work on Ubbo's Fn2 Type R. We're changing the wheels over for these ones that have been done in white. And if we go to the back, Ubbo, what's happening at the back?
Well, the back car's on. Sorry.
Every time they see me pull up, everybody say mashallah. Catch me on the flight, you not gonna catch me on the corner. Trying to make this steaming, I got mix up in the drama. They chatty blah blah, messing with my karma.
Welcome back to the channel, welcome to another video. I hope everyone is doing well. So in this video we're doing a few wee things to Ubbo's Honda Civic Fn2 Type R. So that's a car I have a lot of respect for, having driven it, and you know, a high revving engine, you don't really get anything like that anymore. Anyway, before we get into that, you guys know that I've got a Mark V Golf GTI, and the Fn2 and the Mark V GTI are sort of like rivals, released at similar times, similar horsepower, similar price ranges, both hot hatches. Okay, so someone commented on the last video with both cars saying we should do a drag race. So that's something we're looking into and something we might do. So we've got lots planned, from drag races, maybe a comparison video, reviews. On this channel, it's just car related. We've got lots planned and we're going to do lots of different things. So make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss anything. And for all the Jap fans, anyone new watching, I do have an MR2 Roadster. I know it's kind of looked down upon compared to the other generations of the MR2, but it is a fun little drive. Anyway, before we get into this video, anyone who has a Mark V Golf GTI, leave in the comments the best way to launch a manual GTI, because every time I've tried, I just get a lot of wheel spin. Anyway, this video, doing a few wee things to the Fn2. Make sure you subscribe, and let's just get into it. Working on Ubbo's Fn2 Type R. We're changing the wheels out. We're putting these sort of white wheels on the car. So we'll go over to the back. Ubbo, what are we doing at the back?
So the back here we've got this all taped up. We're going to be respraying the caliper red. So we masked off as much as we can from the rear arch to the inner side of the wheel. Also the back bearings, and also where the exhaust manifold is. We're going to take that off. The plan is to stick on, once this is dried up, the plan is to stick on the white Fn2 18-inch wheels, which I plasti-dipped yesterday and the day before, and just to kind of see what the car looks like, give it a fresher look. And then the 19s will get refurbed. So the 19s are just down here. These are the 19-inch Rage wheels, which were £1,000 optional extra when the car was new. I bought them second hand for a decent price off Country about a year ago, but I've not refurbed them or anything like that.
So we're masking this side up to paint it in a second. Over on this side, I think we've done 3 coats. So you can see the red starting to come out. So that's 3 coats. And also Ubbo's been painting the nuts a sort of gunmetal grey. So they're down there, so that'll contrast with the white. Yeah, so we've just got those back calipers to paint. Right, we finished up with the Type R, putting some air in the tyres. How was it, Ubbo?
Good. Took a while. Got the 2 rear calipers done, but we ran out of caliper paint, so we'll probably do the fronts another time. But the wheels are looking pretty decent on the car. Obviously we won't know fully until the car comes out.
This is the old wheels that came off the diamond cut 19-inch. I'm a massive fan of diamond cut, but these are in need of a refurb. I think Abbo was saying he's going to refurb them and they might go back on the car. Okay, so just before the reveal, this is just some shots after we've just put the alloys on. So it's not complete, as in we've not completely finished. The center caps are still missing. There's some overspray on the tires, as it's like a spray wrap that can just be peeled off, and they also haven't been cleaned. So it is a reveal, but I'll show you in a future video when the Fn2 is next on the channel, when everything's fully complete. Anyway, I'll just go ahead and show you guys. And notice, you know how it's a spray wrap? It gives a really nice matte white finish. Anyway, let's just get into it. So that's the end of the video. Make sure if you're interested in any car related videos or content, you hit the subscribe button. So hit that button right there and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment down below, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you for the next one. Okay, peace.